In this video, I'll show you my PLR product that I'll use in this video training to build WordPress site. PLR stands for private label rights. It can come in different formats. The PLR license allows buyers to rebrand the content under their own name. The product can be modified, sold in many different formats. The PLR product that I'll use to build a WordPress site consists of the Actions zip file, which includes the main product, eCover Actions, and the PDF manual with instructions on how to load the eCover Actions into Photoshop software to create eCovers. The WordPress theme folder that I need to upload to the server to give the site a new look. The video folder, which includes the sales page video file. The images folder, which includes the images that I need to use with my theme. The instructions folder, which includes the PLR license, the theme setup guide, and the video code that I need to use with the WordPress theme. And the PSD files, which you can edit in Photoshop software. See you in the next video.